How are you? Today we'll solve these models about algebra in this year 2024. Okay, pay attention with me about question number 1 here. Solution set of the inequality x power 2 plus 49 greater than 14x in R equal space. First step, we must find the solution about equations and then find the solution which is greater than 0 to positive. Okay, first step, x power 2 moved 4x here, it will be negative 14x plus 49, and then put equation equals 0. To find the solution here, you must factorizing. We know x subtract by 7 all power 2 will be 0 here. The solution about this inequality, then x will be 7. Okay, and then if we draw this function here, x power 2 subtract 14x subtract 14x equal 49 is the coefficient of x positive. It will be touching the x-axis here in one solution here. It will be 7. Okay, but he won't find greater than. If we moved here, this sign here, it will be greater than 0. Okay, and this equation equals 0. This meaning we want to find the solution positive here. It will be r subtract by 7. Then the solution set will be r subtract set of 7. Okay, because you want the positive only. All the results up the number line. Don't choose 7. Then the result will be r subtract set of 7. Choose letter D because you want the positive solutions. Okay, the positive solutions. We have r satisfies this inequality without 7. R subtract set of 7. Question number 2. If x plus yi was equal 5 plus I, you want to find x times I. X product by y. First step, x plus 5 plus yi equal 5 plus I. It's meaning x here will be equal 5. Okay, the real numbers will be equality, and the magnitude result will be equality, y equal 1. Then x times y, 5 times 1, it will be 5. Question number 3. Solution set of the equations x power 2 plus 25 equals 0. In the set of complex number, we can write x power 2, it will be negative 25, and then x will be positive or negative square root of negative 25. Then x will be positive or negative square root of negative 1 times square root of 25, right? Positive or negative square root of negative 1, it will be I. Square root of 25, it will be 5. Then the result will be positive or negative 5i. Okay, choose about question number 3, solution set, letter D. We have here the set of solution. Question number 3, we have positive or negative. What? Positive or negative 5i. Okay, it was letter C. Not D. D here 5. Okay, we must A, B, C. Choose letter C has solution 5i and negative 5i. Next, question number 4. If one of the roots of the equation x power 2 plus one solution about this equation x power 2 plus k product k plus 5 product x subtract by 9 equals 0 is equal to the additive inverse of the other root, then k equal. Okay, what about the one of roots equation is equal additive inverse? It means the sum between them it will be 0, sum of two roots. Where is the sum of two roots here? It will be negative k plus 5, it will be equal 0 because the sum here it will be negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x power 2. Then the sum of them it will be equal 0. Then you can write negative k minus 5 equals 0, or you can divide it by negative 1 to cancel the sign here, then k plus 5 equals 0, where k was negative 5. The result will be letter A about question number 4. Okay, understood? He gives us one of the roots of the equation is equal additive inverse of the other root. It's meaning the sum of them, it will be equal 0 because they are what? Additive inverse of each other. Some of them it will be 0, such as that 5 and negative 5. Some of them it will be 0. Then you must choose letter A. Question number 5. If L and M are two roots of the quadratic equation x power 2 plus 4x plus 1 equals 0, then we want to find L power 2 plus 4L plus 1 equal what? The result here will be equal 0 again, because we have x and L and M solution are the roots of the quadrant. Put in this equation at x equal L, put x equal here, it will be L power 2 plus 4L plus 1, it will be 0. Then the result here will be 0. See, easy, very easy example, because L and M are two roots of the equation here, quadratic equation. Then L power 2 plus 4L plus 1, it will be 0. Then question number 5, choose letter D, 0. It's very easy, okay? Question number 6, find I power 24 plus I power 30. We know 24 can divide it by 4. Then I power 24, it will be 1. And I power 30, it will be I power what? Which number can divide it by 4? Can divide it by 4. Before 30, it will be 28, because 28 can divide it by 4 equals 7. And the remainder 2. Then result will be 1 plus I power 2, it will be negative 1. Product by I power 24, it will be 1. The result will be 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Okay, the result here, it will be 0. Question number 6, choose letter P. Question here number 7. If x minus 2i was equal 3 plus yi, then the conjugate number here x plus yi equal space. Okay, first step, we must find x will be 3 numbers, and the imaginary numbers here, negative 2 will be equal y, negative 2 it will be equal y. Okay, then you want to find x plus yi. Put x equal 3 plus y was here negative 2i. Okay, you want to find what? The conjugate. You want to find what? Conjugate. About this, you must change the sign about in magnitude here. Imagination numbers here, negative 2, it will be a positive. The result will be 3 plus 2i. Question 7, choose letter here A, B, C. The magnitude, change the sign here, it will be 3 plus 2i. Okay, result will be 3 plus 2i. Question 8. If the roots of the quadrant 3x power 2 subtract 6x plus m equals 0 are real roots, then m belonging to. He give us real root. So, okay, you can find the result here about this equation, real root. We can write root square root of p power subtract 4 is c, it will be greater than or equal 0. We know a here was equal 3 and b was equal 3 and c was equal m. And then square root of p power 2 here, it will be 3 power 2 9, subtract by 4 times a times 3 times c here, m greater than or equal to 0. Square root of 9 subtract by 12 m greater than or equal to 0. You want to find m belonging to what? Here. P power 2 here, 3 power 2, sorry again. A was 3, P was 6, it was 6. Okay. P power 2, I will solve this again. B here was negative 6. Okay, again, we have A was equal 3 and B equal negative 6 and C here will be equal M. And we put the rule here, square root of B power 2 subtract 4AC greater than or equal to 0. We have a real roots, it's meaning greater than or equal to 0. Okay, we have drawing here, touching from x-axis from negative infinity to the solution set here. Then B power 2 subtract 4AC greater than or equal to 0. B here was negative 6, right? Negative 6 power 2, it will be 36. Subtract 4 times A times C. 4 times A, 3 times C, here M. Then we can write here power 2 to left hand side, right hand side to cancel square root, then greater than 0. Then 36 subtract y. 3 times 4 equal 12m. We can move here 12m less than or equal to 36. We can divide it by 12. 36 divided by 12 equal 3. And then m will be less than or equal to 3 from number line. M here less than or equal to 3. You can draw number line here. 3 from negative infinity to 3 closed. Then the intervals here, it will be letter A from negative infinity to 3 closed. Choose letter A because here tell us in the example the roots of the quadratic equations here are real roots. Real roots, it's meaning this square root of p power 2 subtract 4c greater than or equal to 0, a will equal 3, b equal negative 6, and the constant c here equal m. Choose letter A. Question number 9. If the terminal sides of the acute angle theta in the standard position intersects the unit circles at negative 3/5 and 4/5, then cotan theta, you want to find cotan theta. We know cotan theta 1 over what? Cotan inverse about 10. Okay, and we know tan theta equal sin theta over cosine theta, and we have the order here cosine theta and sin theta. Then sine, it will be 4/5 divided by cosine negative 3/5, and then write 4/5 times 5 over negative 3, cancel them, the result will be negative 4/3. It's tan theta. He won't find what? Cotan. Then cotan, write 1 over tan theta, 1 divided negative 4/3, it will be negative 3/4. Question number 9, choose letter A. Okay. Next, question number 10. Find cosine 9 subtract by theta times cosec theta. We know cosine 9 subtract by theta, it's the first quadrant, and 9 to convert sine, it will be sine theta, and cosine in the first quadrant it will be positive. Then we write sine theta multiplication by cosec theta. Cosec is the inverse of what? Cosec is inverse of sine, 1 over sine. Okay, 1 over sine theta. Then the times between them, it will be 1. Choose letter E about question number 10. Okay, question number 10, choose letter E. Question number 11. The angle whose measure negative 9 pi over 4 lies in the space quadrant. You can find the result here, negative 9 over 4 times pi. You can write pi here equal 180. Negative 9 times 180 divided by 4 here will be 45. 45 times pi 9. 5 times 9 equal 45. Write 5 and carry a 4. 4 times 9 equal 36 plus 4 equal 40. Then negative 405, you can add 360, write negative again, 5 minus 0 to be 5, 10 minus 60 to be 4, then negative 45 here lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, or you can add again 360 plus these angles, 45, 2 10 and 5, 10 minus 5 it will be 5, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 4 it will be 1, and write 3, 315 lies in the fourth quadrant. Choose letter B about question number 11, fourth quadrant. Question number 12. The length of the arc which opposite two central angles measure 135 degrees. In circle diameter, we have diameter 16 centimeters, and the radius will be 8 centimeters. And we have theta degree was 135. He won't find the length of the arc. Length equal theta degree or theta radian times radius. Then you can convert from theta degree to radian. Okay, such that theta degree over 180 equal theta radian over pi. We now know these rules, okay? And then you can put 135 here, 135 over 180 equal theta radian over pi. Then you can find theta radian by using calculator. Right, 135 times pi divided by 180. You can write 135 times pi divided by 180. It will be 2.3 radian. Then theta radian, we get it was 2.3 radian. Then the length will be what? Theta radian 2.3 product by radius was 8 centimeters because they give us the diameter was 16. And then you can use a calculator to find the result. Multiplication by 8 here, answer times by 8, the result will be 6 pi. Okay, choose letter C about question 12. 6 pi centimeter. Next question number 13. If cosec theta was 2, where theta is the measure of the opposite angles, then theta equal what? Positive acute angle. Okay, we know cosec theta, it's inverse about sine, 1 over sine theta equal to, then sine theta it will be half, then theta it will be 30 degree. Question number 13. Choose letter P, 30 degree. Next question number 14. Question 14. Find sine theta plus cosine 270 plus theta. Okay, we can find cosine 270 theta lies in what? Lies in first, second, third, fourth. Lies here in the fourth. All, and here sine, here tan, and here cosine. Cosine here positive, and 270 can change cosine, it will be sine, then the result will be sine theta here plus cosine, this number you must change, it will be sine theta, because 270 change cosine, it will be sine, and this angles here will be positive at the fourth quadrant. Okay, then the result will be 2 sine theta. Choose letter A about question 14. Question 15. Two triangles congruent. We have x, y, and z similar to about triangle A, B, ABC. Okay, and he give us AB. Okay, write the ratio between XY over AB equal YZ over BC equal XZ over AC. XY here, he give us AB was 6. Okay, XY was 3. And they give us BC was 8 centimeter. And BC and AB 6. Then we can find YZ. 3 times 8 divided by 6. 3 times 8, 24 divided by 6 equal 4 centimeter. Choose letter B about question 15. Question 16. If the ratio between the perimeter of two similar polygons 3 or 4 and the sum of their areas 150 square centimeters, the area of the greater polygon, it will be what? We have the ratio between two lenses 3 and 4, then area 1 to area 2, it will be 3 over 4 all power 2, it will be 9 over 16. And they give us area 1 plus area 2. He give us the ratio between E1 and E2. We can write here. Then the ratio between E1 over 9, E1 over 9 equal A1, it's meaning area 1, okay? Area 1 over area 2, 9 over 16 equal 3 over 4 power 2. And then area 1 reverse to the smallest square, and area 2 polygons. Okay, polygons. Polygon 1 and polygon 2, smaller and greater. Area 1 to area 2 equal 9 over 16, then area 1 over 9 equal E2 over 16. And he give us the sum of two areas equal 150. Okay, we know this property above proportional. If we add 2 numerator by numerator, you must add 2 numerator. 9 plus 16 will be 25. He give us E1 plus E2. The sum of them was what? He gave us the sum of them was 150. And we want to find what? The area of greater. Area of greater where E2 reverse to greater. Then area 2 reverse to the greater. Write 150 times 16 over 25. 150 divided by 25 equals 6. 6 times 16 equal 96. Okay, true. 96. Letter C about question 16 square centimeter. Okay, understood this properties. First step, we can write the ratio between area 1 and area 2 and find the properties about area 1 over 9 equal area 2 over 16, and give us the sum of two areas equal 150. You can add 9 plus 16 again equal 25. It's the ratio between E1 and 2 and 9 over 16 properties about the ratios. If we add two numerators of them, you must add two denominator and then put the sum of them 150. Doing the product of extremes equal product of means to find the area 2, it will be 96 square centimeter here. Next question. Question 17. We have circles here. You want to find the length of CD. Okay, look at with me about these circles. You want to find the length of CD. Okay, first step, we know 4x multiplication by 3x equal 4x here. Look at here, 4x times 3x equal 6 times 18. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12x power 2 equals 6 times 18. You can divide it. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Then 2x power 2 equal 18. And then you can divide it by 2. Then x power 2 it will be 9. Then x will be positive or negative 9. Square root of 9 it will be positive only. The value of x here equal 3. Then the length of DC here, we can write DC was 4x plus 3x, it will be 7x. 7 multiplication by 3, it will be 21 centimeters. Then the length here it will be 21. Choose letter A about question 17. Question 18. In the opposite figure, we want to find the measure of angle BAC. BAC, this angle. Okay, we can write here the congruent. Yes, you want to find the congruent between two, or similar between two triangles. Okay, how you can write it? You can write it by using the ratio between two sides. If we write 5 and 6, we have 5 and 6 and 4 centimeter about first triangle, and side length about the second was 7.596. Okay, we can find the ratio between what? 5 and 7.5 and 4 over 6. You can write 4 over 6. 2 over 3 is similar. And here 6 over 9, we can write 6. We can write 4 over 6. Okay, 4 and 6. And the ratio between 6 and 9 divided by 3, it will be 2 over 3. And 5 over 7.5, we can simply say divided by 5 here, or multiplication by 10, it will be 50 divided 75, and then you can divide it by what? 25, it will be 3, and here 2. Then okay, it's very easy here. Understood? I write the ratio between 5 and 7.5. Then I write here 5 versus to what? AD. Okay, you can write here AD. And 6 was AB. And 4 was BD. Okay, and then you can write this triangle. If you write the first triangle APD was similar to what? APD. AB is a AB 6 was 9. 6 was 9. Then you can write APD and BCA. Okay, AB was 6, BC was 9, BD was 4, CA 7.5. Okay, you must change them. We want 5 and 7.5. 5 and 7.5. You must change them. BAC. Okay, again, BA was 9. AC 7.5. And we want 7.5 between what? By what? By 5. Right here, DB was 5. Okay, and CP was 9, and BA was 6. 9 was 6. Okay, ADB again, ADB and BAC. You can write similar between them. ED over BA was equal DB over AC equal BA over CP, and then you must show the results. AD was what? AD was 5, BA 6. Okay, BA was 6, and DB right again, ED was BA. 5 by what? We have AD 5 was CA. This triangle DAB similar to ACP, because the ratio between them equal 2 over 3 between its corresponding sides. Okay, he won't find what here? Measure of angle what? Measure of angle BAC equal BDA. You must choose BDA. Letter C about question 18. Question 19. In the opposite figure, you want to find the length of BC. Okay, we have two triangles. This angle was equal here, this angle, and 6 centimeter, and this 5 centimeter, this part from C to D, and here B, and here A. We can write two triangles. B is the common between them. First triangle BAD, similar with another triangle BCA. And then you can write the ratio between each ratio. PA over PC equal AD over CA equal DB over AB, because this angle is the common between two triangles, smaller triangle and the greatest triangle. And then you can write the result. He give us PA was 6, PC equal, write x plus 5, and AD I don't know, and CA I don't know, so I can cancel this here because I don't know the result. Okay, and write DB was x and AB was 6. Then product about extremes equal product of means. X times x will be x power 2, x times 5 5x, 6 times 6 36, and you can write x power 2 plus 5x minus 36 equals 0. Factorize it. X times x equal x power 2, and 4 times 9 equal 36. Right here positive and here 9 negative. In the value x equal 4 and x equal negative 9, it's in false. Then x here it will be 4. Then the side length here about dB will be